Just a quick overview of AutomateMyTask. You can learn more about it at the link above my head. You can adjust the capture size by clicking Change Capture Size. This, usually we have it a little bit kind of wider than it is tall, but you can adjust that. So let's say I'm going to adjust this to be square. Well, yeah, let's go 25 by 25. And update size. Now, when I hit F1, you'll see it's square instead of rectangular. I recommend not getting it too big because it's not going to display well into this. Also, it makes your matching pattern a bit larger, and it's really good to have a smaller area. What's also really helpful to do is, let's say I just wanted to highlight the S. I can actually click like this, and now it's going to use this green area that's highlighted for the match. So if I say display matches, notice it found 2 because there's the S there and S there. If I wanted to make sure it had the KS, I could do this. Now it's going to find the 1, right? So it's very cool to be able to adjust that live, not have to go retake it. So you're basically just shrinking down the area in what you're doing. The color threshold, it's kind of a black voodoo box. It's going to automatically put its best idea if it doesn't match when you just hit display matches. I highly recommend you just nudge it a bit, but honestly, this should almost be like a don't touch it. It's good enough. Don't worry about it. Cheers.